Hi folks, today we're demonstrating our ClearToken Universal Control application that charges for the use of any device that uses electricity. In this demonstration, we will charge for the use of a shop vac. We chose the shop vacuum because it makes lots of noise. Our universal control can work with any washing machine or dryer, tennis court lighting, electric car chargers, TVs, cell phone chargers, computers, filtered water dispensers, hot water for showers, basically any device powered by a cord plugged into a wall outlet. First, I'll show you the vacuum plugged into the wall outlet. Now, I'll plug the universal control into the wall and the vacuum into the box and lock it. Watch when I switch on the vacuum. It doesn't work. It has no power. Now I'll activate the ClearToken Universal Control using our app. We've set the app to charge 50 cents for 15 seconds of power. I'll start the app. Select CR402. Hit pay. The internal outlet is now on as indicated by the LED, and I'll switch on the vacuum. After 15 seconds, the internal outlet is switched off. The internal outlet is now dead, and of course no power is going to the vacuum. The user's cell phone account has been charged for the use of the vacuum, and the owner has been paid for its use. Thanks for visiting ClearToken. Please watch our other videos. I think you'll see some really interesting stuff.